Hello everyone, welcome to the class of demonstration projects of Smart Factory. Huazhong CNC is the important company for CNC equipment and industry robot, has participated in a lot of demonstration projects of smart manufacturing lines of national level. So, in this class, I will give you some examples of those demonstration projects. Here we can see a workshop for aviation structural parts with our Huazhong CNC 8-type CNC system. And this is the workshop of Shenyang Aviation Manufacturing Company. There are 58 high-end CNC machine tools, including 38 5-axis machine tools and 9 intelligent manufacturing flexible production lines. All of these machine tools are equipped with Huazhong CNC 8-type controllers. And in this workshop, we also helped them to build a big data center, so the operators can monitor the operation state of each machine by this big data center. And this is the workshop of Beijing Xinhang Mechanical and Electrical Equipment Company. In this workshop, there are a bunch of vertical and horizontal machining centers, boring machine, and flexible production lines with Huazhong CNC high-end CNC system used for machining complex panels and frame parts of aerospace and aviation equipment. And these are 3 turning and milling compound Qingchuan machine tools equipped with Huazhong CNC 8 controllers, used for machining aerospace parts of titanium alloy, aluminum alloy, and composite materials. And this is the flexible assembler line of new energy vehicle electric motor for Shanghai Jiao Tong University Smart Stage Company. And this is the workshop of Jilin Universal Machinery Company. There are 400 machine tools with Huazhong CNC 8-type controllers, including 70 sets of 5-axis machine tools. And you can see that all of these 5-axis machine tools are equipped with our controllers, the model 848D. And this is an example that our CNC controller used for high-speed and high-precision 3C parts manufacturing. And this machine has a rapid transverse speed of 60 meters per minute with acceleration of 1 gravity. The spindle speed can reach 24,000 RPM with 3 to 5 axes in linkage, and it has dual spindle, dual channel, and dual XYZ liner motor. And these are those parts after machining with high-rate CNC machine equipped with Huazhong CNC 8-type controller. And besides of CNC equipment, the industry robot is also an important product of Huazhong CNC. Wuhan Huazhong Numeric Control Company has 9 subsidiaries in Foshan, Chongqing, Shenzhen, Dongguan, Ningbo, Suzhou, Quanzhou, and other places, and 4 institutes in Foshan, Jiangsu, Quanzhou, and Xiangyang. We have a good command of key technologies of the 4 core components, including the robot controller, servo motor, servo drive, and the robot body. In the Foshan Industry Robot subsidiary, our annual production capacity is about 10,000, and more than 80% of these parts are independently produced by ourselves. And with this CNC equipment and industry robot, we have helped the Dongguan Jinsheng 3C Smart Factory to build a smart manufacturing line. In this workshop, there are 180 high-speed and high-precision drilling tamping centers, 78 industry robots, and 40 AGV. And we have also helped the Suzhou Victory Precision Company to build a demonstration factory. There are 200 high-speed and high-precision drilling tapping centers and 100 robots from our company. And this is the photo of this Suzhou Victory Precision Company. And we have provided robots for supply chain of Apple, HP, Dell, Lenovo, Gray, and Haier. And we also help to build the home appliance production line for the client Roban Appliances Company. This is a video to see the production line with our robots. Besides of that, our robots have also been used for the sanding and polishing for home appliance. And this is our HC robot, the robot of 4 axes for sanding and polishing. And this is our BR robot for the production line. This BR robot is very flexible and occupy manners space. So it is always used. It is usually used for those CNC machine and the production line with small limited space. And this is a production line for shoes that we have built for our clients. Thanks for your listening. Then I will show these demonstration projects of smart manufacturing factory through a video.
Demonstration project of smart factory. Through the innovation of key technology, Huazhong CMC has successfully developed HCMC-8 and HCMC-9 high-performance CMC systems, which are the most widely used high-performance numerical control system in China. It has been used successfully for dozens of media and high-end CMC machine tools, which are available in batch applications for many smart factories in China. Dongguan Jinsheng 3C Smart Factory. Jinsheng Smart Factory has 10 smart workshops with automated drilling and tapping production lines. The smart workshop includes 180 Chinese high-speed and high-precision drilling and tapping centers, 81 HCMC robots, 30 RGV, 10 AGV trollers, and 1 set of automatic inspection system for distribution of materials. It is equipped with industrial software systems of Chinese brands, including cloud platform of numerical control system, CAPP, APS, MES, three-dimensional virtual simulation system, etc. Through the development of hardware and software, the high-speed and high-precision drilling and tapping CMC equipment, CMC systems and robots can work together, and Huazhong CMC is also the first company in this sector to use robots for clamping workpieces instead of manual operations, which saves a lot of manpower. Huazhong CMC established the Intelligent Perception System based on the Internet of Things technology, transformed and upgraded current intelligent systems, and established a visualized integrated control center for the entire manufacturing process, realizing comprehensive support for machining centers, robots, and logistics equipment. Suzhou Victory Precision. Suzhou Victory Precision Intelligent Manufacturing Demonstration Project includes 200 sets of high-speed and high-precision drilling and tapping centers, 106 sets of HCMC robots, online visual inspection equipment, intelligent deburring and automatic polishing equipment, AGV, intelligent sterile warehouse, and other logistics conveyance devices, forming a highly flexible automatic production line with the support of Chinese industrial software such as 3D software, CAPP, PLM, MES, cloud, numerical control system. It realizes high-quality and large-scale flexible production for structural modules of portable electronic product in the mass customization. Shenyang Aviation Manufacturing Company Limited. Shenyang Intelligent Manufacturing Base for Aviation Complex structural parts in the first intelligent production line in Chinese aerospace sector that uses all high-end CMC equipment of Chinese brands. It is also the intelligent production line which equips with the largest quantity of HCMC-8 5-axis CMC system in the aerospace field. This project has 57 high-end CMC machine tools. Among them, there are 49 machine tools equipped with Huazhong CMC system, and 33 of them with Huazhong CMC 5-axis system. Jilin Universal Machinery Company Limited. Jilin Universal Machinery Company Limited began to cooperate with Huazhong CMC in April of 2014 and has more than 800 sets of controllers for 4-axis and 5-axis machines. They are mainly used for machining parts and components of cars such as gear shift, wheel hub axle, wheel bracket, steering knuckle, control arm, handbrake, and various stamping parts. The surface finish and accuracy of the workpiece processed by the Huazhong CMC system can meet the requirements. Huazhong CMC system has reliable quality, stable performance, fast startup speed, high control accuracy, strong adaptability to the power grid and operation environment, saving production costs, and greatly improving production efficiency. Dongfeng Chukai Auto Parts Company Limited. The project demonstration application of control system and industrial robot for automatic production line for key automotive parts consists of 55 CMC machine tools of Chinese brand, 24 robots, 4 testing equipments, 2 assembly lines, and 1 high-frequency quenching line. It integrates manufacturing, inspection, assembly, heat treatment, and other processes, fully demonstrating achievements of precise machining centers, high-speed turning centers, CMC double-end face grinders, HCMC-8 controllers, and industrial robots.